Dear students, welcome you all for the lesson, the tsunami. And in the last class, we studied about first part of the lesson. And today's class, we are going to study about second part of the lesson. Before go to the second part, let us go through an activity which is given here. Comprehension check. Say whether the following are true or false. Ignatius lost his wife, two children, his father in law, and brother in law in the tsunami. This statement is true as we read in the lesson. When we come to second statement, Sanjeev made it to safety after the tsunami. Sanjeev, Sanjeev jumped into the water to rescue her. Rescue her in the sense, wife of John, who is a cook, who is a guest house cook. In this way, he lost his life. But the statement is false here. The second one is false. And when we come to third one, Meghana. Meghana was saved by a relief helicopter. See, the story we read, relief helicopters, they didn't see her at the time of her difficulty. So, it is false. The statement is false. Next, we have fourth one. Alma's father realized that a tsunami was going to hit. This statement, fourth one, Alma's father realized that a tsunami was going to hit the island. This statement is true as we read. Next, fifth one. Fifth one is about her mother and aunts were washed away with the tree that they were holding on. This statement is true about Almas Javed. Let us go to the second part. Second part is about Tilly Smith, a British schoolgirl, was able to save many lives when the tsunami struck Phuket beach in Thailand. See, Tilly Smith, she was coming from British at the time, and she was the reason to save many lives when the tsunami struck or hit Phuket beach and were in Thailand. Though she has won a number of awards as a result of saving many other people were in Thailand. She has won a number of awards. At her parents, look at here, her parents have not allowed their daughter. Her parents not allowed, did not allow her to take part in interview on television and made into a heroine. See, her parents, they didn't want to make her as heroine. When she is taking interview on television, that sorts of a kind of popularity in her. That's why they didn't interest on this thing. That's why they decided not to involve in this part. Why do you think they took that decision? So we have to know about why her parents not allowed her to take in interview. So this may be that reason they don't want to make her heroine in this field, like saving many other lives and all. They wanted to make herself involved in her studies. That may be the reason. That's why they came to the decision that they didn't want to take her to this field like interview and all. Let us move to next paragraph. Now, here is a story from Thailand. Listen here. Story from Thailand. In the sense, first part we read about Andaman and Nicobar Islands, and here part second we are going to study about Thailand. How tsunami affected these area like Thailand and some other countries and all. The Smith family from southeast England were celebrating Christmas at a beach resort in southern Thailand. Tilly Smith was a 10-year-old schoolgirl. Her sister was 7 years old. Their parents were Penny and Colin Smith. It's about her family. The Smith family, they came from England, southeast England, and they came to southern part of Thailand in order to celebrate Christmas. We're in a beach resort. As you know that beach resort, a place where people go on holiday. Because of holiday, they came to Thailand in order to celebrate Christmas. Here, Tilly Smith was 10-year-old schoolgirl. She is a girl, right? And a school-going child. Along with her, her sister, 7 years old. Both of them are school-going children. And their parents' name, Penny and Colin Smith. Next, it was 26th December 2004. Deadly tsunami waves were already on their way. They had been triggered by massive earthquake of northern Sumatra earlier that morning. See, after Christmas Day, they came to know about deadly tsunami waves, which is on their way to come or to hit the land. They had been triggered in the sense they came to know, right? Here is used the glossary part, describes as a sudden violent reaction. An undersea earthquake caused the tsunami, right? They had been triggered. Who had been triggered? Either deadly tsunami waves or the family of Smith, right? Because of a massive earthquake wherein Sumatra, the time of early morning. They came to know that tsunami is going to hit. At first, they came to know about earthquake. Because of earthquake, tsunami is happened, right? The water was swelling, kept coming in. The water was swelling and kept coming in. Swelling in the sense increasing. Penny Smith remembered the beach was getting smaller and smaller. I didn't know what was happening. See, Penny Smith, she remembered that what is happening at the time. The water was swelling and kept coming as a result of earthquake. So which earthquake is this? A massive earthquake, right? Because of this reason, tsunami waves, right? In the form of water, right? In the form of waves, large, huge waves that are coming. These are coming nearby them. In this way, beach was getting smaller and smaller. I didn't know what was happening. As a result of this, she got confused. She got confused about this situation, what is going to happen. Let us move to next paragraph. But Tilly Smith sensed that something was wrong. What is wrong? Something was wrong. She came to know that something is going to happen. But Penny Smith didn't understand why that beach was getting smaller and smaller. Why water Why? The water was swelling and kept coming. But here, Tilly Smith, her daughter, came to know everything. Her mind kept going back in a sense. She is going to recall the past. So, what is that? A geography lesson. She recollected her memory about geography lesson which she had learnt in her school. She had taken in England just 2 weeks before she flew out to Thailand with her family. Before came to Thailand. So how many? 2 weeks before she learnt geography lesson were in England. Got it? Till I saw sea slowly rise and start to form, bubble and form whirlpools. What do you mean by whirlpools? Whirlpools in the sense are rotating water, circular current of water that can pull objects down into its center. You might have seen this where in river. When a river having a kind of waves, the flood time and all during rainy season, you you might have seen this. In Kannada, we used to call suli. So whirlpools, you might have seen, right? She remembered that she had seen this in class in a video of a tsunami that had hit the Hawaiian Islands in 1946. See, 1946 tsunami is occurred where in Hawaiian Islands. This video is shown to all the students in geography lesson. Because of this reason, she came to know that the effect which they noticed were in Thailand, and also her geography teacher taught her about earthquakes, volcanoes, and landslides. See, these are the three. These are the three reasons to occur tsunami, right? In this way, she came to know about the situation they are facing, that is nothing but tsunami. In this way, she started to scream. Tilly started to scream at her family to get off the beach. She talked about an earthquake under the sea. She got more and more hysterical, said her mother Penny. Look at here. As a result of geography lesson where she had learnt in England, because of the lesson, she came to know that tsunami, and she started to scream a loud cry to call her family from the beach because her intention is to get off in the sense appraisal verb, that means leave a place. She wanted to make her family safe, that's why uh, screaming a lot her family to leave the beach. She's talked about an earthquake. At the same time, she talked about earthquake under the sea and all in order to give some kind of awareness to that people who are gathered on the beach. She got more and more hysterical. Hysterical in the sense when you are hysterical, you shout, laugh, or cry in a wild, excited way without any control. In the same here, she lost her control. I mean, her intention is to save all the people. That's why she is going to cry the loud voice, said her mother. Her mother, right? I didn't know what a tsunami was. Her mother, she didn't know about tsunami actually, and she used to watch Tilly and her behavior. But seeing my daughter so frightened, so who is frightened? Her daughter also frightened, right? Her family also frightened because of this tsunami waves. I thought something serious must be going on. As Tilly, as Tilly screamed at her family and people who gathered in the beach, she came to know that, I mean, her mother came to know that something is going to happen. Tilly, Tilly's parents took her. Tilly's parents took her sister away from the beach. Tilly's parents took her, her in the sense Tilly, and her sister away from the beach because Tilly gave an awareness to all the people. In the same, her parents took some kind of protection to her daughter. That's why they took Tilly and her sister to the swimming pool at the hotel. A number of other tourists also left the beach with them. As Tilly parents took their daughters, the same. People who gathered, I mean tourists who gathered in the beach, they also followed their way. Then it was as if the entire sea had come out after them. I was screaming, run, run, run. Right? See here, run. The word run is used by Tilly in order to save people who gathered in the beach. Then the family took refuge in the third floor of the hotel. Somehow they managed, they left the place where they are playing. I mean, on the beach, right? From that beach, they came to swimming pool at the hotel. In this way, they took they took refuge in the sense shelter in the third floor of the hotel. The building withstood, endured without collapsing. Building is very strong there. The surge, what do you mean by surge? Force of the three tsunami waves. Three tsunami waves came there to hit the building, but the building is very strong. If they had stayed on the beach, look at here condition. If they had stayed on the beach, they would not have been alive. Yes, obviously they would lost, right? They would lost their life there if they stayed on the beach. The Smiths later met other tourists who had lost the entire families. Look at here, Smith's family who met all the other tourists who lost their entire families. Thanks to Tilly, and her geography lesson, they had been forewarned. Forewarned in the sense, a kind of warning is given to before an incident. See here, geography lesson also, and even Tilly, because Tilly gave a kind of awareness to everybody. That's why all people are thankful to Tilly and her geography lesson, which has given forewarning. I mean forewarned. Tilly went back to her school in England and told her classmates her terrifying tale. In this way, she survived herself from the tsunami and started to share her views about tsunami in the form of terrifying tale. See, it's terrifying tale because like Almas Javed or Meghana, here she has a kind of awareness because she learned a lesson from the topic geography. That's why she survived herself along with her family and some other tourists. Thank you, my dear students. Let us meet the next class.